Hello everyone, this is Sharat Kokal and today we're gonna have a look at why did I switch from Ubuntu to Manjaro, what problems I faced and how can you do it too. But before that, let me give you a brief introduction about myself. I am Sharat Kokal, I'm an Android developer. I have been using Linux since my high school. I use Linux for all my work, be it development or watching movies. I do use Windows only for two stuff, gaming and Adobe Suite, because as far as I hate to admit it, Linux still needs a lot of improvement in gaming and the release of Stream Deck might help it. Now, back to the topic. Why Manjaro? Why not Gentoo, Fedora, Linux from scratch? Because all Linux distributions contain Linux at its core, so I could choose any and will be good to go. But the difference comes in about the packages installed in it, which eventually makes a performance difference. I've heard a lot of praise about Manjaro for various reasons. Once, it's a rolling release, so I don't have to download a 3 GB ISO every 2 years to update to the latest long-term release. As soon as the drivers are released, the system gets the updates, but not as bleeding as Manjaro, because then the system will break. The moment the drivers or the software updates are released, Arch Linux updates them in the repository, which sometimes create a breaking issue. Second, it's a lot lighter than Ubuntu. Manjaro takes up very less performance as compared to Ubuntu due to various reasons, and it's much more likely for someone like me who require resources for other uses. Though there isn't some special about Manjaro, but it's just that I wanted to have a go at Arch and Manjaro seemed a good fit. Now, what problems I faced while switching from Ubuntu? The biggest problem I faced was partition management. Though the installation is pretty easy for Kubuntu and you need only one partition to install, while Manjaro I was presented with a different scenario. The installer needed an additional 512 MB of FAT32 partition for installation of EFI /boot/EFI partition. I accidentally formatted it with ext4, so I had to reinstall everything and redo everything from start. The package manager has a completely different command option, so that created a problem for me since I was accustomed to the simple apt get and apt install commands. So the -syyu seems a little odd, but I eventually got hold of it and now there is no problem for me in managing packages. Third, the Ubuntu repo can't be imported to our Arch system since they have different repository, so I had to get all the software individually from their websites. I had to import all my GPG and SSH keys and reset up my password store. For those who don't know, I host my own passwords and use the Open Keychain and password store and pass terminal application to manage my passwords. One advantage I had switching from Kubuntu to Manjaro is that it had the same desktop environment KDE, so it felt like a home. Now, what should you keep in mind while switching from any distribution? First of all, if you are doing it for the first time and you are switching from Windows, since you are already familiar with Windows partitioning system, create a separate partition for Linux from window itself and just identify it from the installer and install on it. And while going through the installer, always read the instructions carefully or you might end up messing up everything. If you are coming from another Linux distribution, then you should back up your home folder, your documents and all your personal stuff as well as the keys you might have stored. Double check everything to make sure. If you are using Brave, try syncing it up with your mobile device or exporting it to an external partition drive so that you don't lose your personal stuff and history and bookmarks, since Brave does not store it on the cloud. At last, here is a summary of what you should pay attention to. Instructions and partition summary during installation, getting the list of software you use, backing up your GPG and SSH keys for any encryption decryption. Backing up your home folder.